Basically just pull this guy off, throw it in the trash because it's trash, and then you install this guy. What's up guys, it's Eric with Veris Engineering here, and we have another really simple install to a problem the Toyota Supra has on track. Bam! Let's see if it'll focus, there we go. It's the washer fluid reservoir cap. Basically we found that on track we kept on getting a bunch of water and stuff on the passenger side of the car. And initially I thought that that was actually me running through a puddle on track that I never saw, I don't know. But I didn't really think anything of it. And then finally someone on Instagram said, hey, have you noticed this? And I was like, yes, we've seen it multiple times. It's really annoying. Every time we get back to the track, we have to wipe down the entire right side of the car because there's water all over it. Basically, the OEM unit is very loose and can basically let water out at any time during driving. We've seen it during braking pretty heavily, as well as left turns, which kind of make, or right turns, I don't remember. But basically during turns and braking seem to be pretty bad as well. So basically this little unit fixes that issue by sealing that, as well as allowing it to vent when it needs to vent, and comes on and off very easily. So we'll do a quick little install on it, but basically this is all that's included in the kit, and hope you enjoy tracking a little bit more now that you don't have washer fluid all over your car. Let's get to it. All right, so as far as the install goes, you basically just pull this guy off, throw it in the trash because it's trash, and then you install this guy. There's a little lip around here that does need that you need to be a little careful with, but overall it's not bad. Simply line up the flat with the flat and then push it on. Done deal. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that really simple and easy install for a fix that has annoyed me for, I don't know, 8-9 months now. We'll be coming out with some more Supra products here soon, as well as continue track testing it and having some fun with the car. Be sure to like and subscribe us, and if you have any comments or suggestions on products we should make, or suggestions on how we should make videos better, hit us up, sales@veris-engineering.com, or comment below. Thanks.